Today we're going to make a cowboy cookie cake. Let's start by whisking together the flour, baking soda and powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and salt. And then we're going to cream together the butter, sugar, and light brown sugar really well. Now add the egg, followed by the vanilla extract, mixing well after each addition. When it's mixed really well, we can go ahead and start adding our dry ingredients. Stir in about half at a time and be sure to scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl as you go so everything gets incorporated into the dough. Now it's time to mix in the chocolate chips, oats, walnuts, and shredded coconut. Stop stirring once everything's combined so you don't overmix your dough. To form the cookie layers, divide the dough into even balls and flatten them on a baking sheet. I like to weigh mine with a scale so that they're nice and even circles. Try to get them as round as possible and then bake them until the edges are lightly golden. If they've lost their roundness while baking, run a spoon around the edges to give them back their shape. While the cookies are cooling, make the cream cheese frosting. Cream together the butter and cream cheese until they're smooth, and then mix in the powdered sugar a little bit at a time so that it doesn't fly everywhere. And then finally stir in the vanilla extract. To frost the cake, you can use a piping bag and tip like I am, or you can just spread the frosting on with a knife or spatula. Here I'm using the cup method to fill my piping bag with frosting. You just put the piping tip in the cup and fold the bag over the side so it's easy to spoon in the frosting. Now it's time to assemble the cake. I added a dab of frosting on the bottom of my turntable to hold the bottom layer in place. Alternately layer frosting and cowboy cookies until all 4 cookies are stacked into this delicious cake. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Follow along for more.